And right here, we got a very special one. This is the LC300 GR-S variant. We are going wide on this limited edition Land Cruiser 300 GR-S build. This is our second one that we've modified. The first one was a black unit. We equipped with 20-inch NK PTT1 wheels. This one, we're also gonna do the off-road kind of theme, but wider this time. So this is the AA GMG wide body fenders and the skid plate up in front, as you can see. This protrudes around 30 to 40 mm wider than the stock fender flares. So of course, with wider flares means the need to do custom forged wheels, and no other brand we're gonna do it with but BC Forged. We're gonna be flushing this to the fender without the need of any spacers. So we're gonna be making it wider with a custom offset, custom finish. So we're gonna be doing the TR03 one-piece monoblock wheels in a diamond cut finish. It's gonna have the diamond cut with gunmetal pairing with exposed hardware in gloss black. So stay tuned, it's gonna be in 22-inch wheels, and we're gonna make it with wide all-terrain tires from Nito. So stay tuned, because I can't wait to give this GR-S a more aggressive stance and look once we're done. Here at our Automotive studio, we can never get enough of all these Land Cruiser 300 build. And right here, a special edition. This is the GR-S variant. And as you can see, it's got the pearl white metallic color, which we made sure that the body kit we installed, this is the GMG Japan body kit. It's got the 30mm wider fender flares, as you can see all sides. And we painted it in body color with the outline of this gloss black trim to give it that added toughness and touch to set it apart from the rest. Now, we also added the front attachment in a hyper silver colorway. This one matches the rear trim that comes stock on all GR-S models. It's got the glossy texture, and that's the reason why when you look at it from the front end, you can see that it shines. Now, it's got the added flair that makes it look more, macho, and that's what you can expect from a GR-S model, You got that ruggedness texture because it's the sportier variant, and of course, with these wider fenders, we equipped it with wider rims and tires. This is a custom forged monoblock, BC Forged wheel set. As you can see, it's got a two-tone finish, a glossy gunmetal face, and a diamond cut lip. It's got the embossed center caps, and you can still reuse your OEM lug nuts, unlike most rims that we have to upgrade their lug nuts actually. The beauty of this is that we're able to spec its width and offset to flush align perfectly to the wider fender flares without the need for spacers. So nothing else was added, it's just a plug and play with the new rims. And as you can see, the spec is spot on. It's aligned and flushed perfectly to the fenders to give it that beefier look that the GR-S truly deserves. We went with the 22 by 10.5 configuration, and the offset, we made sure that it's perfect to align with these GMG fender flares. Of course, with wider rims comes the need to perfect the look with meatier all-terrain tires. So we went with the Nito Terra Grappler 305/45/22 tire spec to give it that added flair. And let me show you that with this spec, no rub happened. Let me move the steering wheel for you to see. There you have it. So allow me to walk you through how we designed and chose this specific color and finish for the wheels with the customer. So he wanted something unique, and it's not very common that you get a gunmetal and diamond cut lip finish on any car. It's usually on forged wheels. Now, because we went with the GMG front attachment, which we painted in hyper silver to match the rear attachment, a diamond cut lip is very suiting because it gives it the same accent color more or less. And because the GR-S is a sporty car in nature, and with sporty designs, you also want to associate a darker finish for a sportier look. But because we wanted it to be different from the usual rims, instead of gloss black, we went with the gloss gunmetal finish. So this pairing is very suiting. Now, attention to detail. Let me show you this. This is a one-piece forged configuration, and it might be an illusion because this is usually what you get with a two-piece forged design. But this is a one-piece monoblock because, as you can see, the TR03 design on the BC Forge catalog, it gives you the option to spec the lip and the face. And this is what you call the step lip on two-piece forged options. As you can see, the step lip gives it a 3D look, and it enhances the look to make it look sportier and aggressive. We also paired it with exposed hardware. This is gloss black, but this is not real hardware. It's just there for the design as an optical illusion that it's a two-piece forge when it's actually just a monoblock wheel. That's attention to detail, and that's what you get with custom forged wheels. If you guys like this LC300 GR-S build and you also want to modify your Land Cruiser, be sure to message us on Instagram and Facebook at @iiautomods. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel at @iiautomods as well. We keep releasing new content of all our current and latest projects, and I'm sure you guys don't want to miss out. I'll be sure to see you on the next video. We got a lot more LC300 builds coming your way, and a lot more you wouldn't want to miss out. Stay tuned, guys.